Hello everyone, welcome to VCELINK channel. Ready to get some info about Ethernet cables? Ethernet cables are widely used in LAN networks, but do you really know knowledge about Ethernet cables? This video explains everything that you want to know about Ethernet cables. Though Wi-Fi has become ubiquitous nowadays, many individuals still prefer wired networks for their consistent and reliable speeds. Ethernet cable is the backbone of the network cabling, connecting various devices such as computers, routers, TVs, tablets, or even PlayStations. Take a look at your router and you'll find Ethernet ports for RJ45 plugs. RJ45 plugs are usually terminated at the end of Ethernet cables, and all network data is transmitted through the Ethernet cable. Though the outer appearance of Ethernet cables can be similar, Ethernet cables come in different lengths, types, and categories, and the inner structure can differ. But all of them feature 8 wires twisted into 4 pairs and a ripcord. A twisted pair can reduce crosstalk from the neighboring pairs to be more resistant to electromagnetic interference. A ripcord is usually designed to cut the cable jacket for convenience. Shielded Ethernet cables typically contain a drain wire along with braid or foiled shielding. Beyond its ground function, the drain wire also contributes to minimizing electrical noise. Notably, either drain wire or braid shielding can be used as an effective ground wire. Ethernet cables can be classified into different types according to different shielding types, categories, and styles. According to different categories, Ethernet cables can be labeled with different CAT designations. Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, Cat7, Cat8. They all consist of 8 copper wires twisted into 4 pairs. They have different bandwidths and reach different maximum data rates. In general, a higher number indicates better performance for the Ethernet cable. According to shielding types, Ethernet cables have different specifications. Check the following chart to read Ethernet cable specifications. Ethernet cables come in different styles according to various applications and different performances. Slim Ethernet cables are generally thinner than standard cables and are very suitable for homes, offices, and data centers where the place is very tight. Slim Ethernet cables can also offer a larger area for other devices. In addition to round Ethernet cables, there are also flat Ethernet cables on the market. Flat Ethernet cables are very popular for their convenience, and thanks to their flat shape, they can be used under the carpet or door. The solid Ethernet cable is a network cable with a solid conductor in each cable wire. Each conductor of the stranded cable is made of a bundle of small gauge wires twisted with each other, and the core wire is often surrounded by several wires. It is known to all that there are 2 common wiring standards used by RJ45 connectors, T568A and T568B. The main difference between T568A and T568B is the color order of green and orange pairs. Ethernet cables also come in 2 forms according to different wiring standards. Crossover cable has T568A at one end and T568B at the other end, while straight-through cable has a single wiring standard with T568A or T568B on both ends. An Ethernet cable features an outer protection that is called a cable jacket. The cable jacket comes in different ratings according to various applications, including CMP, CMR, CATVP, CL3R, CMX, etc. We'll briefly introduce CM or CMG, CMR, CMP, and CMX. Here are some key points that can help you find the most suitable Ethernet cable. 1. Know the maximum transmission speed of your internet speed. It can be affected by many factors, including network hardware. If your network hardware can only support 1 gigabit per second speed, using Cat6a cable is unnecessary. But Cat6a cable can also be a future-proof option if you can upgrade the network hardware. 2. Consider the speed you need for your network. If you often stream high-bandwidth videos and play computer games, a better Ethernet cable will be your prior choice. For example, Cat6 or Cat6a is generally enough for your online gaming if your ISP provides gigabit speed. 3. Correctly terminate the cable and never let the wires be exposed, or it will damage and break the inside cables. 4. Use cable testers during installation for stable connectivity and avoid other issues. Check our channel to find more videos for Ethernet cable termination tutorials. We usually refer to Ethernet cables as twisted pair cables, but there are also other network cables to meet different Ethernet needs. Besides twisted pair cables, the most common network cables on the market are coaxial cables and fiber optic cables. We will talk about that in another video. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, welcome to comment below and subscribe to our channel.